Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to pay someone with a paysafe card. Paysafe cards are a great way to pay for things online and in person without having to share your personal banking information. They're also a great way to set a budget for yourself. In this video, I'll show you how to create a paysafe card, how to use it to pay for things online and in person, and how to manage your paysafe account. So, let's get started. What is a paysafe card? A paysafe card is a prepaid card that you can use to make online and in-person purchases. It's like a gift card, but you can use it for anything you want. Paysafe cards are available in a variety of denominations, so you can choose the one that's right for you. They're also available in a variety of currencies, so you can use them to pay for things in other countries. How to create a paysafe card? There are a few different ways to create a paysafe card. You can purchase one online, at a retail store, or at a gas station. Once you have a paysafe card, you'll need to activate it. This can be done online or by phone. How to use a paysafe card to pay for things online? To use a paysafe card to pay for things online, you'll need to enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. The CVV code is the 3-digit number on the back of your card. Once you've entered your payment information, you can click the Submit button. Your payment will be processed and the money will be transferred to the recipient's account. How to use a paysafe card to pay for things in person? To use a paysafe card to pay for things in person, you'll need to show the card to the cashier. The cashier will swipe the card and enter the PIN. The PIN is the 4-digit number on the back of your card. Once the cashier has processed your payment, you can take your receipt and leave. How to manage your paysafe account? You can manage your paysafe account online. You can check your balance, view your transaction history, and change your personal information. You can also use your paysafe account to set up automatic payments. This is a great way to make sure that your bills are paid on time. Benefits of using a paysafe card. There are a number of benefits to using a paysafe card. Here are a few of the most important. Security. Paysafe cards are a safe and secure way to pay for things online and in person. Your personal banking information is never shared with the merchant. Convenience. Paysafe cards are easy to use and can be used anywhere that accepts Visa or MasterCard. Budgeting. Paysafe cards are a great way to set a budget for yourself. You can only spend the money that you have on your card. Privacy. Paysafe cards are anonymous. You don't have to provide your name or address when you use a paysafe card. Disadvantages of using a paysafe card. There are also a few disadvantages to using a paysafe card. Here are a few of the most important. Fees. Paysafe cards may have fees associated with them. These fees can vary depending on the type of card you have and how you use it. Limited availability. Paysafe cards are not available everywhere. You may have trouble finding one in your area. Expiration date. Paysafe cards have an expiration date. You will need to replace your card if it expires. Overall, paysafe cards are a great way to pay for things online and in person. They're safe, secure, and convenient. If you're looking for a way to pay for things without having to share your personal banking information, a paysafe card is a great option.